This is lesson number 3, and I just want to refer you to the scientific video that I have done, where I have shared the double slit experiment. And in that double slit experiment, matter can be either particle or wave. All right, and this wave is the interference pattern, but it can be affected and become particle when you put something or someone to observe it. So, coming back to this 3D world that we live in, the observation is, we can call it consciousness. So when we see something, expect something, the consciousness, the awareness, it becomes. All right? So when we believe that this is what it will be, it will be. Okay? So it goes a little bit deep, but this is the quantum field that a lot of people still do not really understand. And why I highlight this point is I want you to understand that we can change. We have that power, we have that ability to change the future that we want. All right? And the way to go about that is to go into meditation. And when we meditate, well, if you understand about the brain waves, then we go into different levels of brain waves, which is from beta consciousness, we go into meditation mode, we go down to alpha, we go down to theta. We don't go into delta, that would be sleeping, right? So we just go into that theta state of mind. So when we are in that state of mind, our mind is fluid, is wave, right? So when it is in that form, okay, we are able to manifest and change things to the way we want it to be. Yes, we have that power. We have that ability. I'm not going to say it's going to just come automatically. You have to work on it, all right? So what I will be teaching you in future lessons is how to go about meditating, rediscovering the power that you have. Remember what I said, the original soul has that original personality, right? Which is purity, peace, loving, happiness, right? Or you can say bliss. And also powerful. You are powerful. You can change things. You can change your emotional state. You can change a lot of things. It's just that somehow for centuries, thousands of years, that power has been taken away from us, right, by a lot of different organizations. Now I won't go deeply into that because it's going to go into a very deep rabbit hole. I'll let you decide whether I'm telling you the truth. Okay? The power is within us. The power is in you, each and every one of us. But over thousands of years, it has been taken away from us because we are now shifting into a belief that to find happiness, we must depend on something external. Other people, other situations, other things, or any kind of emotion will depend on externalities. Are you with me? Whereas the truth is, it can come from us. It is from us. It's the I am. So all you need to do is to reconnect and get to know that you have that special ability to do that. So when you go into that meditation every day, right? So in that state of meditation, you're praying to God, right? You're praying to the divine to help you, to reconnect, to give you that source, that energy, that connection, that power, that who you are, to remind yourself who you are, right? You do that every day, it's going to change. It's going to change, all right? So when your state of mind or brainwave is in the theta, that is where it is fluid. Okay, it's easier to change. It's, you know, when something is in the particle form, how can you change? Can you change a rock and knock something which is a physical, you can't change it. But when it is in the form of a wave, fluid, you can manifest, and then from that fluidity it will transform into particle, into your reality. Are you with me? From that fluidity in the waveform, you can then make it into a reality, into particle. So this is something that we have that ability to do, right? Within us. It's just that we have lost it. We have lost it because the consciousness for thousands of years have shifted. And now planet Earth is shifting into another frequency. And we, as we shift as well, that awakening will come back. You probably noticed already, a lot of people now are going into meditation, are going into this awakening in one way or another. They follow different types of teachings, which is changing the way they look at situation. And I'm just one of them, to help you, to be the bridge, right? To awaken you and to empower you. Okay? To awaken you and to empower you. I mean, what do I get out of this? Well, this is my purpose. Okay? This is my calling. That's the reason why Hope and Smiles, me, Trina, all of us, we are doing this. Because this is our calling. To assist people, humanity, to awaken, to be awakened, to have that light in them, to have that power in them, so that their frequency will go up. And when individually the frequencies goes up, there will come what we call it doesn't have to be 8 billion population that reaches that. There will be a tipping point, there'll be a tipping point where it's enough, and it will affect the rest of the people on this planet. Okay? So if you practice this, you experience this, you believe in this, and you want to be part of our community to help humanity, please contact us. Together, we can change the world.